usually if you were to ask for like 75,000 or more is where they'll start looking to financials. And I'll send all this stuff in an email for you as well.
What's up, guys? Colin Matthew here. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get approved for $120,000 in no documentation funding from First Citizens Bank. If you're new to the channel, my name's Colin Matthew, and I'm a business funding coach and the owner of Credit Veterans. We offer credit repair and business funding with no upfront fees. That means you don't pay until the work is complete. Click the link in the description below to learn more about business funding or credit repair, or to learn more about my business funding group and one-on-one mentorship packages. So over the last few years, my clients and mentees have been killing the funding game, getting approvals from First Citizens Bank. First Citizens is in these 19 states, and they generally pull your personal Equifax bureau when applying for either a business credit card, a business loan, or a business line of credit. Just like any bank-provided business loan, business line of credit, or business credit card, you're going to have to personally guarantee on behalf of your business. This means undergoing a personal credit check where they're typically looking for a 680 or higher personal credit score, a clean credit profile that is free of derogatory marks, or excessive utilization, or excessive credit inquiries. If you're suffering from derogatory marks, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below, sign up for my Zero Advance Pay credit repair. And if you're suffering from high utilization, you may want to reach out to myself and my team about getting a debt consolidation loan or a bridge loan so we could lower your utilization and help you get approved for funding. If you do meet the PG requirements and you live in one of the 19 states that First Citizens operates in, I highly recommend opening a business checking account with at least $500 and applying for their lending products. Now, do keep in mind, if your business is under 1 year old, you're typically only going to be eligible for a business credit card, and that goes with most banks. Typically, you have to be 1 to 2 years, sometimes even 3 years in business at many banks to be able to apply for the larger lines, such as a business loan or a business line of credit. So if you do have an H corporation, feel free to apply for the business line of credit as well. If you're under a year in business, apply for the business credit card. I spoke with a First Citizens rep not too long ago on behalf of my clients, and he let me know that they did business lines of credit for up to about $70,000 with no documentation, and that amounts $75,000 and above would require documentation.
First Citizens Bank. This is Laura. How can I help you?
Hey, Colin, how are you doing today?
Outstanding. Thanks for asking.
Awesome. I understand you're talking to Laura about looking to do business accounts as well as look at a line of credit. And what amount were you looking to have in the line of credit?
$50,000.
So there's a couple things here, like with the line of credit you're looking at, just the amount you're requesting. Most likely they can fast track that, meaning that you could probably look at with minimal financials needed provided. It's usually if you were to ask for like 75,000 or more is where they'll start looking to financials. And I'll send all this stuff in an email for you as well.
My clients and mentees have gotten over a dozen approvals over the last 2 years on business lines of credit ranging from $50 to $70K with no docs. And we've gotten multiple $50,000 0% business credit cards approved in the last few months as well. As always, guys, if you found this video valuable, please drop a comment below and give that like button a smash to share this valuable business funding information with our fellow business owners here on the tube. Please also drop a comment below. Let me know, what do you want to learn next? What do you want to know about funding, credit, anything like that? I'm going to be pumping out some of my best stuff here shortly, so you better be subscribed. Otherwise, you're going to miss out. This is Colin Matthew, and I'll see you guys on the next one.